time has arrived. I have to clear out my wardrobe because it's getting out of control. Very much out of control. I also have a bunch of stuff there on this chair. Basically, I have some of the stuff that are just laundry that I need to iron, and I hate ironing. And there's also a bunch of like shoe shopping was going on, so we need to take all of those like boxes away. This is just, I can't even explain it, okay? Don't even ask me. I just have a bunch of stuff just like that because I don't have enough of those hangers, and I'm trying to kind of layer a lot of different pieces on one hanger. I also have a bunch of stuff in here. Something new, something old, something that I don't know. These shorts, I need to iron every time I want to wear them because they're creasing anyways. Why do I put them like that? That they're creasing even more. What's that? Like, what is this? This is all laundry, my bags, something from my bag. It's all clean, by the way. Nothing is like, it's not greasy or whatever. Another bag, my new shoes, like a towel or something, and a bunch of something that I need to get rid of as well because I don't need those boxes clearly. So yes, it's time to say goodbye to this whole mess, and hopefully this is gonna be sorted out as well because I need to get rid of something that I'm not wearing. This skirt I'm not wearing at all. I need to either get rid of it, and by getting rid of it I mean my mom is coming. I'm just gonna take it to my old wardrobe, or I just need to put this back in the suitcase where we keep all of the clothes that we don't wear. A little disclaimer, if you didn't know, this is not my full-on closet. This is just a second closet, the one that I keep with me in Belgrade. Here in Belgrade, I literally travel with one full suitcase and one carry-on, so this is everything that I have. And I also have another one, which is my main one, which is back at my mom's house because we don't live here permanently, and obviously I cannot just transfer all of my clothes in here. So back and forth when she comes to visit us, she brings something that I didn't wear for a long time, and I also give to her something that I still want to keep but I don't want to wear for the upcoming 6 months or 1 year or something like that. So we are figuring out that today. Okay, so we're starting with something that is just hanging there without any hangers. I have a bunch of my bottoms and a few tops here as well, and also something on the shelf down there, which is absolutely messy. Dress that I don't wear, my cardigan, the tank top that needs to just be in a waiting zone a little bit, my jeans, my pants that I don't wear at the moment but I want to keep them, jeans that I do wear, my denim shorts, denim skirts, nothing else, tank tops, living here. Everything is nice and clean here. My dresses, don't know what to do with it. Give it to my mom to get to my old, but what to do with it I still don't know. So now it's time for me to get organized in my underwear drawer, pajama drawer and everything, so I can figure out where my pajamas are gonna be and what's going on in this drawer. Okay, that's my last section. I'm literally so tired already. And I think I'm not gonna go too much into details. Just a few jackets of Aylex, my trench coats, and my usual like wool coat is staying here as well. I have this dress, which looks like that. I don't know if I feel like I like it, but I feel like I don't. I don't know what to do with this, to be honest. Yeah, I have no idea. I need to put it in a don't know what to do with it pile. Then I have this jacket. That jacket I love when it's gonna be not too hot anymore. I'm gonna wear it definitely. It's a linen jacket. And it's also the jacket for the pants that I've shown you that are a little bit too small on me. So yes, the jacket is fine. I also have this embroidered dress like that. I like it. I bought it last year, I think, and I'm not too tired of it still. It's gonna go into the dress section. I'm thinking about this blazer. Should I keep it or not? Because I feel like because I'm getting rid of the skirt, I also need to pass on this because I love pink, but do I look like a Barbie when I have such light hair? I don't know. I think it goes into the, I don't know, pile as well because I need to think about it. It's a raincoat, the cropped one, very, very pink. I get so many compliments on this as well, which is very weird. So I think it's staying just because I love to go to the gym in it if it's like a little windy or cold, and also sometimes if it's like raining but not too like hard. I also try to wear it as well because it has like a hood and everything, so it's more of like a sporty kind of thing that helps me with the weather. And I also have my very big cropped denim jacket. I love to wear it, honestly. I wear it all the time, but I just see that I need to clean it because it's a little overly used already. So yeah, this is everything that I have in here, and also let me show you how I tied up my accessory drawer. So I have my bag section right here. Some of them I'm just wearing the last season. I'm gonna just throw them away and buy something new. I just need to, yeah, wear them a little bit more. Some of my favorite ones. I have a bigger tote back there, and also a pair of sandals that I don't wear too often, so they're just kept there. And I also have a drawer here, which I keep all of my sunglasses in. I love sunglasses, as you can see. I'm not getting rid of any of them. I think I have found a replacement for those because those are like super scratched already, so I need to replace them, but other than that everything is kept there. And just some of my bigger accessories. Here's some scarves. This silk scarf, very like glittery one. My bingos that I got from Georgia. Some of my chokers, you can see I love chokers. A hairpiece in here, trench belt, and a little flower that you can put on yourself as a choker as well, or just clip it on your clothes. Okay, that's it. Okay, just my last efforts went towards ironing. I've ironed everything that I had from the laundry. Now everything is done. Finally, let me show you. Okay, this is how I have it. This is my think about me pile. Everything is here. I'm gonna try and think about everything. If I'm not gonna wear anything, it's definitely going back to my second closet back at my mom's home. My cap is going there as well. I've never worn it since I got it here. I have my pants in here. I tried to iron them, but they're linen, so a few wrinkles are just there. And I love to put them on the bar instead of a hanger because hanger is thinner and this bar is like rounded, so you don't have like a wrinkle, you know, across your whole pant. Then I have my skirt. I ironed it. I put it on top because it's like pretty long. As you can see, it goes literally like halfway through the first bar. And I double up on my hangers. As you can see, I literally just put everything on top of everything. I'm okay with that, to be honest. It doesn't get too wrinkly. And I also have my few dresses there. And yeah, here's everything that you've seen before. As well, I also put my pajamas right here because my underwear drawer is just full of socks and swimsuits and everything else. So it goes here. Here you can see everything is clean. This is my just mom's pile. I will give everything to my mom when she arrives. And here's also everything as you could see before. I also put everything back into the suitcase, everything that I don't wear, as well as some of the winter stuff that I, for some reason, didn't put in a suitcase in the first place. Some of the old like shoe boxes also went under the bed, so I am fully done. I'm super happy. I also have a bunch of laundry to do out of the stuff that are just nicer looking, which you always get when you are doing such clear out. And now this pile is going to be cleaned. Okay. Okay, so this is everything that I was able to figure out today. I hope that you guys got a little inspiration to clear out your wardrobe if you have a bunch of stuff, or just to clean your apartment maybe, because sometimes we get very busy. Like I got just very busy with everything that is going on in life, and I just kept on throwing things back into the wardrobe instead of just tightening up and putting it on hangers and back into the closet neatly. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a little like to support this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video.